Hi dear students, good morning. Now I am going to discuss about the concept of integral step x, integral fractional part of x and integral step x by integral fractional part of x. How to deal with these type of questions. Now that I am going to discuss. Integral 0 to n step x or greatest integer function which is equal to, how to calculate 0 to n, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, n minus 1, n. This we can split into like n terms. Like this we have to do that. Therefore, integral 0 to n step x into dx equal to integral 0 to 1 step x into dx plus integral 1 to 2 step x into dx plus integral 2 to 3 step x into dx plus and so on integral n minus 1 to n step x dx. After that, how to proceed? We already discussed in the previous classes. X belongs to 0 to 1. In this interval, the step x value is equal to 0. X belongs to 1 to 2. Step x value is 1. In between 1 and 2, any value if you take in step x or greatest integer function, it will take only integer, that is 1. X belongs to 2 to 3. That implies step x is equal to 2. And so on. X belongs to n minus 1 to n. If you take step x value is equal to n minus 1. So, wherever step x functions are there, you have to replace with these values, which is equal to integral 0 to n step x into dx. Integral 0 to 1 step x value is 0 into dx. Integral 1 to 2 step x value is 1 into dx. That means 1 into dx plus integral 2 to 3 integral step x. Step x value it becomes 2 to 3 is 2 dx plus and so on plus integral n minus 1 to x. That value is n minus 1. N minus 1 to n. N minus 1 into dx. This is 0 plus integral dx is x. Applying the limits 1 to 2 plus 2 constant you can take outside. Integral dx is x. Applying the limits 2 to 3 plus and so on. N minus 1 constant you can take outside. Integral dx is x. Applying the limits n minus 1 to n. 2 minus 1 plus 2 into 3 minus 2 plus and so on plus n minus 1 into n minus of n minus 1. That means minus n plus 1. These two will be cancelled. So 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 2 plus and so on plus n minus 1. It is first n terms, n minus 1 terms, sum of first n minus 1 terms. Integral 0 to n step x into dx is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on n minus 1. We know that sigma n is equal to n into n minus 1 divided by n plus 1 divided by 2. But in place of n here n minus 1 is there. In this formula wherever n is there you have to replace with n minus 1. Therefore n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 minus 1 cancel n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Now integral 0 to n step x into dx is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2. For example, integral 0 to 5 step x into dx. No need to do this procedure. Directly wherever n is there, you have to replace here. 5 into 5 minus 1 divided by 2. 5 into 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 5 twos are 10. Therefore, integral 0 to 5 step x dx is equal to 10. And now I am going to discuss about one more important concept. Integral 0 to n fractional part of x into dx. How to calculate fractional part of x? Fractional part of x can be written as x minus step x. So integral 0 to n x minus step x into dx. Now limit apply, integral limit apply for the both of our terms. Integral 0 to n x into dx minus integral 0 to n step x into dx. Integral x dx is x square by 2. Applying the limit 0 to n minus integral 0 to n step x dx is this value only. N into n minus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to n square by 2 minus n into n square by 2 minus into minus plus n by 2. So integral 0 to n fractional part of x into dx is equal to n by 2. Suppose for example integral 0 to 10 fractional part of x into dx. Directly you can apply this formula, n is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. And one more important interesting result. Sometimes what they are asking is direct result. You remember integral 0 to n step x dx divided by integral 0 to n fractional part of x into dx. Integral 0 to n step x dx is n into n minus 1 divided by 2 divided by integral 0 to n fractional part of x into dx value is n by 2. So here n by 2, here n by 2 get cancelled, which is equal to n minus 1. Therefore, integral 0 to n step x dx all divided by integral 0 to n fractional part of x into dx is equal to n minus 1. Here also you take some examples based on this. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.